attach the elastic in here and then here, both side, and then I gonna sew around here. It's, the waistband. I use the pin because I want to secure here while I'm sewing. Yeah, it's almost. Yeah, it's done. So, well, gonna make sure if it's the right measurement. So it's a 34, 32, because it's elastic is 34, is 17. Okay, it's done. Thank you.